Hello there, here is a donut recipe that you can try at home. The ingredients are 5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, half teaspoon of salt, 4 cup of lukewarm milk, 500 grams of maida or bread flour. In a large bowl, add sugar, yeast, and milk. Stir it. Add butter, salt, mix well. Add the flour gradually while stirring it. With your clean hands, knead the dough. You can use a bit of water and flour to get the right consistency. Work the dough for 10 minutes. Turn the dough into a ball. Cover it with a damp cloth. Let it double in size. This normally takes 2 hours. Now the dough is mellow and doubled in size. Punch the dough down. Turn onto a lightly flat surface. Divide the dough into 3 parts. Flatten it out with a rolling pin. Maintain a thickness of about 3-4 centimetre. Using a bowl of 10 centimetre in diameter, cut the dough. The inner circle has a diameter of 3 centimetre. Fry donuts on each side until golden. Drain the excess oil. You can use a paper serviette. That's some powdered sugar and donuts are ready. For the optional chocolate glaze, follow the steps and double boil some compound chocolate. I'm using white chocolate here. Choco chips can also be used. Add some milk and about 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Stir continuously. Now dip the donuts on one side. You can be creative. Throw in some exotic flavors, toppings or sprinkles. Enjoy your donuts.